guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are making a drink with broccoli. And I've washed all my ingredients. My honeydew, I've had a whole one, so I cut it in half. So guys, do you know that broccoli has a lot of benefits? It has vitamin C and K, and it helps to lower the inflammation in the body, support heart health. And let's move over to the honeydew. Honeydew has vitamin C. It helps with potassium and magnesium, improve your blood pressure, it lowers the sodium, so it helps your heart, and it also helps with collagen. And the apple a day keep the doctor away, and the ginger help with inflammation. So with all this combination, we are gonna get straight into it, and we're gonna make our drink. So we are going to take out the seeds. Out of the honeydew, so we're gonna just scoop it out. And this melon is so sweet. So sweet. Okay, so that's the seed. The seeds are out. So we're just gonna turn it over, and we're gonna just peel it quickly. And guys, if you're new here, a big welcome. So remember, we don't have to, we just need to just cut it in half like this, because we're using the Cuvin out of 10. So we're gonna do the same thing with the broccoli. You can just pop them in just like that. And I think I'm gonna need a few pieces to do the decoration, so I'm gonna put these away. We're gonna slice the ginger. You know, I must try putting it in the juicer cold, just like how it is, but because I hear people say the juicer clog up, I cut my ginger, and what I do is use the apple, because the apple is a bit hard. So I put the ginger at the bottom of the juicer, and then I pop the apples on top of it, and it push it out so it don't get no time to clog. So let's get into our juicing. So there you have it. We have set up our juice area, and we're gonna start by opening the lid, and we are going to put our ginger, all of the ginger in, and then we're gonna start popping some apples in. Let me give you a look from above. So there you have it. We're gonna put some apples so that they push all the ginger through, and we're gonna put some broccoli, and we're gonna start our juicing. Hold on, I need to break piece of the broccoli off. That is it. So here we are making our first set of juice, or batch of juice. So broccoli detoxifies our body and reduce our risk of diabetes and cancer. It is such a good vegetable. This juice you also get, it helps your eyes, your vision, your skin, your digestion, So let's have a look from above. They look like they're dancing. Broccoli is also good to help with hair loss. So guys, snack up on your broccoli. So what is broccoli? Broccoli is a plant from the cabbage family and it is a superfood. So when you snack up on broccoli, whether you want to cook it, whether you juice it, it can also help with to improve your liver function. And of course, you know, my apple is the sweetener. No sugar in our drink, just natural. And there is the trash. I sometimes just eat the trash, especially when it has ginger in it. Now we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. Here you have it. So we're gonna continue with our juicing. We're gonna add some more ingredients. So let's put 1 piece of honeydew. Very nice. And a few apples. And we are going to go again. So I've added the honeydew melon in this drink. It fights cell damage and help to heal wound, soothe cough, and much more. So in the comment section, I would like you to put those who like honeydew and what you like about it. Now look how green this juice is, loaded with benefit with those ingredients that I'm using. And of course, you know, I had to put my ginger in this drink. So the ginger helps with lowering inflammation and reduce muscle cramp and menstrual pain. So you snack up on your ginger. Always add ginger to your drink, and a lime or a lemon, whichever you want to add, that alkalize the body. So this is the trash of the apple and the ginger, and look how dry it is. But as I said before, you can use it and do anything with it. You can make muffins and much more. Look at how this machine is working. So now we have a full mixing bowl, and you know, when the mixing bowl is full, what we are going to do, we're going to let out our drink or our juice, whatever you want to call it. Now have a look at the honeydew. It is as sweet as, and our mixing bowl is full, as you can see. Now we are going to let out our second batch of juice, and look at that. So guys, we are going to put some more fruits in. We'll put some broccoli, vegetable, and we will put, I think I'm going to put a little piece of this. Just leave a little piece, yes, so we can use it for the decor. So we're gonna just pop some apples in quickly and continue the juicing. So we have 1 jug, and we are gonna see if we can get at least 2 jugs of juice today. So that's a little bit of the broccoli, and here we have a big stem, I should say, and a few apples left in the bowl. So ginger also reduces bloating and gas, and it helps with to ease the swelling of stiffness related to arthritis. So guys, snack up on your ginger, snack up on your natural juice, and give your body what it needs. Health is wealth. So now we are on the last lap, final juice, and let's have a look at the top. Wow, look at that. So guys, I've put my drinking jars out and we are just processing the last set of juice. So I'm gonna start to decorate. Let me pop my straws down. And thank you, Tony, for making this lovely cutting board for me. Special shout out to you, the manager of my YouTube channel. So let's cut up some of the broccoli and lay them on the cutting board around my drinking jars. And here we have half of a mixing bowl going. Special shout out to the Isaac family and MTC. More blessings. And also to Walking Purpose Monica Miles. Another special shout out to Freakers Design. Run on over and check out our channel. So now guys, we have half of a mixing bowl. Let's see if we can get a full mixing bowl. So guys, we are on the last lap and I've set up my area, so let's keep going. This drink is so refreshing. I've made it already and I would love for you to try this drink at home and leave a comment and tell me if you like it. Trust me, I know you will. So we almost have a full mixing bowl. Here you go. And here you have the trash coming out, and I don't throw away my trash. I use them and make smoothie because they're still sweet, or a fair bit of sweetness. So now we're gonna let out our third batch of juice. And we still have a little bit leave in the juicer, so I'm just gonna pump that out. So now we are letting out our fourth bottle of juice. There you have it. And we are going to serve our drink. So let's get straight into it. So everything is the same. I didn't have to mix anything this week. Wow, look at that. And we are going to top it up a little bit more. Ooh, this is lovely. We'll have healthy skin, healthy hair, good for the gut. So guys, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. I just try to set up a little forest around with the broccoli. Hope it looks good. Have a good evening. See you on the next one.